Salamat sa atong selfie. Dalawang selfie. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for joining us today to celebrate the life of my father. A man who has been so a source of frustration for me and Mama. But ultimately, I am doing what's been of proud in my life. As his only daughter, I had the privilege of sharing a fun with my papa. And if I'm honest, it was always easy. There were countless times when I found myself annoyed by his messy habits and forgetful moments. He always asked me the same question over and over again, and this is my patience. But today, I stand here with a heart shedding regret, for I come to realize that those very words, those moments of exasperation, were a testament to the beautiful history of his life. You see, it's easy to take for granted the small idiosyncrasies that make a person who they are. It's easy to be irritated by their repeated questions and forgetfulness, but what I failed to see in those moments was the love that underneath it all. He may have been pesky with his insistence on asking me or Mama the same question over and over, but he was just trying to etch those cherished memories into my heart. In his final days, as I held his frail hand and looked into his eyes, I saw the depth of his love and regret in my own heart for not cherishing those moments more. It's a lesson I've learned today, but one I hope to carry forward. Today, let us remember not just the moments of frustration, but the moments of tenderness, the laughter, and the lessons my father shared with us. Let us remember the strength he displayed in the face of adversity and the unwavering love he had for his family. As I stand here today, I'm reminded that life is fleeting, and our loved ones ones won't be with us forever. Let us not wait until it's too late to appreciate the quirks and imperfections that make our family special. Let's not postpone